Today we're going to install a overhead light, and we're going to install an LED light. I like these LED lights very much. They burn little energy, little wattage. You can get these at Home Depot or Lowe's. Very sleek looking, very nice. Okay, they have adjustment on the back of here where you can adjust the amount of light for the LED, the color of the light. Very nice. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one on 5,000K. We'll see how that is. Okay, so it has this, and it comes with a connector. Very nice, very easy to install, and it has a brace. So once we install this brace, these connectors will go inside of this brace. Once we install the brace up in the ceiling, these connectors will go right here, and it clips in right there. Okay? Clips right in. Then you take it out, and it's all good. Okay. All right, let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do is when you come to your overhead and take your old light out, you're gonna see your neutral wire and your hot wire and your ground. It's gonna be coming out of a box. And if you're doing a rough, like this is the rough stage because the sheetrock is not up, it's not installed. So if you're doing a rough stage, you're gonna be able to see the blue box. But if the sheetrock is up, has been installed, you're gonna see just these wires and the rim of these blue box. So the first thing that we're gonna do is install the neutral wire for my connector on here. I like to twist the neutrals with my fingers whenever stranded wire is meeting solid wire. You have to be real careful that you get a really good connection, really good twist. I'm gonna use a yellow on this, and I like to twist it until I get a plaque going on. See, that let me know that that's secure. Do the same thing with my black wire. Sometimes I even wrap it around the wire so I know we're getting secure. Wrap it around. And I'm gonna use a red for this one for hot. Twist it. All red. Twist it till it plats. And see, now we got our connector and we got our ground. When we do the ground wire, the ground is on the metal base. The ground is, okay. I'm gonna twist that and get the ground up here. And I did it. Should have had that ground first, y'all. Ground first. Remember that. Ground first. And I didn't do the ground first. Hold on, right here. Put the yellow wire nut. I'm gonna twist the ground on here and get it straight. Oh, yellow, that ground, that twist going. Okay, and then I'm gonna push my wires up in the box. Fold them up in the box real neatly. Okay, and I'm gonna have the connector coming out of here. Now I can put my screws in. I got my connector. Now I can put my screws in the box. You're gonna have a hose where you can screw the screws in. So I get my screws, get my Milwaukee drill. Keep talking about that Milwaukee. And this way you put the screws in. Get it started, then I can work with it. Get the other screw up here, get it started. And then I can work with it, y'all. See where we're going? We're going to get some light. All right. Okay. You don't want to fill up there too much. All right. It's nice and tight. The brace is on nice and tight. We got the brace on nice and tight. Okay. And check how this is, y'all. All you do with this, what they started doing with these connectors. All right, notice that this got a black, so you can't go wrong. This has got a black written on the connector. This goes to be black, okay? So there is no way you can make a mistake on this, okay? Plug the connector in. Once you get in, I like to spread these out a little bit more so I get a tight fit. Push your connectors up in there. Push your, make sure you don't pinch your wires. Get your connectors in there. Step in there. Push your box and it's gonna clip right. See, that ground wire got the hooks. Hold on. You gotta fix. All right, we're gonna get our light, push it up there, and it's secured. and we're gonna check it and make sure that it works. All right, I'll see you on the light side. All right, y'all, we ready to test our light to make sure that it's giving off light. All right, I'm gonna check it with my switch, the 3-way switch that we installed in the last lesson. And here we go. Boom, that's what we installed, LED. Isn't those LEDs pretty? They look really nice, really sleek. When they're sitting up against the sheetrock, it looks really nice. And they burn less energy, less wattage. Those things can stay on all day. You put your hand up on them, they're still cool. Won't be hot. That means that it's not sucking up all your energy, all your wattage. Okay. All right.